Hello and welcome. So in this lesson, I need to show you how to create a coming soon page or to block the website if you don't want any visitor to look at the website on as you're actually working on it. So the first way you can do that, you can actually either install a plugin. You can go to plugins. You can install a plugin. You can just go to plugins and then click on add new plugin. I'm going to show you two methods actually, and then you click coming soon. You add the coming soon. You can always delete this later when you are done with your website. You can either use this one or this one, but the one that I use is this one by WebFactory. Okay, it's actually free. So what it simply means is that if someone comes to your website, they won't be able to view anything on the website. But in my case, I'm not going to use coming soon. I'm going to use the inbuilt system by Brizy that I can use to add the coming soon. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on create new page. Once I click on create new page, I am going to get to a page that shows me a couple of options actually, and then I'm going to say welcome to training. Okay, is that how you spell training? No, it's not training. And then I'm gonna hit publish. Okay, once I hit publish, I know that a lot of people are going to be coming to this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say now I can edit this with Brizy. Okay, I can edit this with Brizy. I'm going to click on edit with Brizy. Once I click on edit with Brizy, I'm going to click on the sign. Once I click on the plus sign, I just need to see if I can add a little bit of text. So let me just add this page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and then here I'm just going to change this icon, and then I'm going to say join us on Facebook. I need people to come to our Facebook page, and then I'm going to paste the text that I had actually created, and then I'm going to say hello from Creative 21. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I've added the link here. I'm going to add the link to the Facebook group. Okay, I'm just going to say https. Okay, I'm just going to add that link on a later stage, and then I'm going to click on update. Once I click on update, I'm just going to go back here, okay, to the dashboard. Once I go to the dashboard, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Brizy, and then I'm going to go to settings. Once I go on settings, I'm going to go to maintenance mode. I want to be in the maintenance mode, and then I'm going to enable, I can say maintenance, and who can access this page, who can access the dashboard is people that are logged in, of which is going to be the admin. And then I'm going to select the page that is called welcome to our training, and then I hit changes. And then if I need to whitelist an IP address, it simply means that I can say that someone who is from this IP can actually watch can actually go through the website. But right now maintenance is on. If I go onto this website right now, it's actually viewing everything. If I refresh, this should give me the maintenance page. Okay, everything is gone. Okay, even if they try to go to any other page, they're going to come to this maintenance page, and then they can actually go and click here and join our Facebook group. So you can actually do this if you are working on your website and you want to add coming soon page, or website is under maintenance, but it's optional to do this. But if I come here, if I'm logged in as the administrator, if I open this website, I will be able to see what I'm actually working on. Okay, so that's about it, and thank you so much, and can't wait to see you on the next lesson, and bye for now.